No, but yeah. So getting back to the question, how's your creativity has influenced your life today? Where you at today? Do you think creativity brought you here, or something else in life that brought you here?
I'm I hope you don't mind that I share this, but I'm a Christian, okay? And as a Christian, I believe that we were all given various gifts. Some people have the gift of, healing somebody with their kindness and with care, and they have that spirit of taking care of people. Some
Yeah.
people are leaders, right? That's you, Carlos. I saw that 100 times at the events that we've attended together.
Yeah.
Some people in sheepdogs, right? Protectors, they're
Yeah.
naturally that way. Um, I think that has a piece of creativity in themselves that whether it was in the fourth grade or whether it was in the first grade, or your mom said, didn't hang the picture on the fridge, or somebody said you're singing off key, or that statue looks stupid, or whatever it is, right? Somebody has stopped our creativity along the line and gave us the thought that I don't do that well and that I don't have that talent. And it's tragic to me. So
Yeah.
yeah, creativity is what saves the world, by the way. In my opinion, this is how we fix everything. I think that our problems can be fixed mostly with the entrepreneurial ideas and core values of an entrepreneur. The value that I understand that work is important, and I reap my rewards, right? And the idea that I know that I can learn skills and fix problems with those skills. And without those new skills, I'm not going to fix things. I'm not going to have the life I need, right? I mean, the world is, frankly, I don't mean to get all philosophical, but the world is setting us up here, guys. Don't you think? I mean, we're being taught to be sheep. The education
Yeah.
system's broke, right?
That is
The
true.
college system is broke. The high schools are having problems. I mean, there's some stuff in the world that's not teaching us to be creative, to be entrepreneurial, to live that wild side and take chances and be happy. Sorry, I get passionate about this,
No, no,
but
no.
yeah,
I mean, this is
I
what everybody
agree.
got to hear, and
Yeah.
we love it. We love it. This is what everybody has to hear.
Right. There's a reason that
creativity.
business finances aren't taught, right? So personal finances, business finances, you can't even learn how to write a check in school, let alone how to manage your finances, how to make sure that you've secured finances for the future. So I mean, we're all for this.
Yeah.
So
I just set my daughter up with an infinite banking program, right? So
Ooh.
we have this life insurance policy that we put money into, right? And that grows interest. We take loans against that. She gets the money right back. It's a wonderful, wonderful thing. And they don't teach things like that in school. They don't teach
What
things
is
that
infinite banking?
Let's talk
I
about
gotta
that.
ask you.